Estamos aqui fazendo um trabalho com Fernando Leitão, Daniel Gomes e Matheus Brito. E Natan, que não está aqui na gravação, então temos dificuldades para fazer o foguete.
With my feet up on the top floor, screaming Jesus, but I want more. It's all good though. This feel like that blow a pound with my dogs on my shook flow. They love me in the hood, so shout out McCobbin, spreading CDs round the discount mall like a virus. Bosses choking, hope your employees know how to do the Heimlich. Left the bullshit way behind like Kirk Heinrich. I'm the first of my kind, ain't no doubt about it. Slightly schizophrenic, I'm in the studio with myself, there's still a crowd around it. Think I found the youth, it's in the truth. Since 50 rocked the vest, I had the juke. With my feet up on the top floor, screaming Jesus, but I want more. Whoa. I won't stop until I hear the world scream my name out, name out. Who you are is what you do, not what you say. I bring the pain out, pain out.
In 99, not to shoot for the sky would have been my biggest crime. Sifted through my teens, growing out, I got a dream going. People said you sick for believing, so I sneezed on them. Spent the rest nights focused on the lights. Aim for the stars, cock back, open flight. Then I got caught, hot fingerprints on the
Tá enchendo não, pô?
Pessoal, contagem, 10, 9, 8, sai daí.
Boa, Natan!